Microsoft account.
Yeah, hi.
We'll do in a Zoom. Already signed up. Check your email for a link. Oh,
Hey, wait, I'll come now.
wait, even I'm checking my mail
What happened?
because I never did it. Oh no, we could have just done Zoom. No,
No, what happened?
she's telling me to come on Microsoft Teams.
Yeah, I guess you're already there in team.
I just did it right now. I'm doing it still.
Okay, because when I checked the contact list, I typed your name and then, yeah, you're in my chat already. Even
Oh no, I didn't get
Anirudh,
the email. I can't join.
your
No,
parents
can you
must
call
have
me
got it.
now?
Arham, your
Check your
parents must
email
have
for a
got it.
link. But I put my email.
In school, is it your email?
Yeah.
Like for school,
No,
this
bro. It should be like
What?
some uh
either,
Arham dot.
yeah, Arham dot your GR number.
Yeah.
At
Uh,
the rate IHSdubai.com.
no, at the rate ihsdubai.org.
Yeah, or
That's
How am
your
I supposed to know the password then?
password.
no, you didn't get any mail in your parents.
Password it's some IHS at the rate some numbers.
I'll
That
just
will,
do it later.
yeah, you can do it later. You can
Yeah,
join
okay.
in Zoom. That's easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, under this like come on Microsoft Teams only. It's more easier.
Yeah, like cause the video it won't lag.
Arham, I call you, okay?
In what?
Zoom.
Invite again. Oh yeah, okay.
No, I call right now.
I am the party leader.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make it to don't fill first.
Huh?
Make it to don't fill.
Okay. Don't feel accept. Yeah.
Why wearing sweater?
It's not.
Now what is that hoodie and all those stuff? If it isn't sweater.
It's so cold over here.
Oh, no.
What
I
happened?
put spring as soon as that it went to the loading screen. You kicked your controller out of your face and then bam.
Shut up.
Bro, yesterday at last I tried creative and then I made my editing a bit faster.
What? Yeah, I saw. I was seeing. Like I just saw it yesterday in the night or something.
Yeah,
Arham, did you reach the lobby?
just a bit faster. Bro, not lobby. That's called Spawn Island.
Oh yeah, sorry. Small island.
Oh,
I
I'm
went
not
back
able
to
to hear. Yeah. Anirudh, we are not in game chat.
But
Okay, where should we go?
I don't know. Misty,
I don't know what changed.
Ollie,
Misty
Let's see
Meadow.
what changed.
the water.
Tell
It's
fast
same.
where to go.
Bro, Arham.
What? How am I supposed? Yeah, no, there's smoke now.
Just don't spam, okay? I already joined.
Okay, let's go to Misty Meadow.
I know that
Nothing
this
changed. What
is.
was it?
I
Anirudh, did you jump?
Okay. Oh, look at the circle, Anirudh. Look how the circle changed.
What is?
Anirudh, go on the map. The circle came already and look how it changed.
Bro, it's
Now
too
you can see
big.
the other half of the circle.
Huh. Phew, I thought some good thing might
So we can
happen.
just go in the water, right? And then we can swim anywhere, but we won't die because of the storm.
Yeah.
We could do that because we don't see
I
the
was
storm.
still in the circle.
And plus
I
we
was
got to
still in
know
the circle when I was AFK.
circle
We
so
should
big.
we are going to
I'm doing
lazy.
Slurpee.
Oh yeah. Snoopy. Wrong calculation. Sloppy in idiot.
You go to Slurpee.
What?
Wait, what? Oh, okay. I thought
What?
they removed the van. I have no gun, so I'm dead.
Even I'm dead.
Okay, I'm not dead anymore. Got a gun. Ooh, yeah. I'm getting rig. I'm going to go get the vault and plus the boombo.
No.
What was the use of the update? Oh, TNT is right here.
Shit, people on me.
Let me first find any weapon.
Oh, got TNT now. Easy.
Rishit, can you come help?
Why? Wait, let me find a weapon.
I need help.
Okay, I'm
I only
coming.
have 3 more bullets left. Oh, I have 0 ammo left. And I killed TNT now. At the last bullet.
Anirudh, I'm coming,
Now
huh?
it's still. Ooh, that's what I like to see.
You kill it?
Oh god.
What happened?
Don't blame me to die, okay? Hey, Anu, look at the circle now. What is happening? That's why you guys will blame at me if I die.
Oh god, bro, I might die. Okay, I got shot. I'm crawling.
Anu, you guys are actually dying by bots.
Bro, I'm literally going to die. Can someone come and help me? Yeah, thanks,
Yeah,
Anirudh.
after fight, after almost. Okay.
Thank you, Anirudh.
I might come with good loot, okay? Guys, I might come with good
Oh
loot.
yes.
Because I got
Anirudh, do you want any weapon?
How to shake this idiot down?
Ooh. Guys, if anyone can come to me, they'll get a purple burst, and they'll get this, and they'll get this.
Phew.
You wanna come to rig?
Where? Oh my god, I got a scar from this guy.
Nice. So now you don't need to
I'm
come.
coming. I'm coming.
No, there's a heavy AK over here. There's a burst.
Rishit, gun for you.
I'm going to Arham.
No man, the storm. Oh, I need to come to you guys.
Yeah, come fast, man. Arham, is the weapon still there? Oh god, I saw some idiot.
Rishit, do you want help? I can come.
Yeah, I guess I need
No, I
help.
don't. Okay, shit.
I
Yeah,
guess.
you're asking for me. You're telling me help, right? I don't need help.
No, I asked Rishit.
Thanks, Arham.
Because he's coming there alone and he told that he saw some idiot.
Yeah, I
Oh, I
literally.
thought Anirudh was coming to me. Rishit, I have a medkit for you, so come in the help.
I have a legendary scar.
I have a legendary heavy AK which I will side grade to a star. I have a boombo, I have a heavy sniper.
I mean, from a guy who I killed.
Arham, where was that weapon?
Rishit.
And we are not supposed to give the scars to bots.
Another look at how much time that's left on the circle.
4 minutes.
Too much already.
Hey man, can you pick me up? Rishit, I have a medkit for you.
Bro, I'm in Arham's jet. Chopper. Come. Come here,
This guy
come
is not
where I
allowing
marked.
me.
Come where I'm. Okay, yeah, no problem.
I forgot about this. I was about to leave it also.
Bro, I'm not able to get in. Finally. I was not able to get in for some time. For some reason. Just like that. Because I only have 2 guns. One stupid gun and one nice gun.
Also, can you guys check where the blue bridge is? Like, Anu, do you know where the blue bridge is? I need to go on the blue and red bridge.
Let me check.
I think I know one bridge. Somewhere over there. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's near blue bridge.
Where?
This green bridge which I can see right now. Blue bridge. Blue bridge, I marked it.
There are people shooting at us, but I don't know. There's a red bridge. It's like a
Bro, I finished that challenge then only.
Yeah, I finished. I'm going to finish it.
Oh my god.
My god.
Where is that idiot?
Yeah, that's what even I was looking for.
Oh, I can't resist this. I can't.
Hey, I already found that.
Yes, medkit. Arham, wait!
Oh, bandage was bandage.
One more Rishit. Rishit, you don't drive it.
Someone come now.
Wait, no, nobody did that heavy sniper replay.
Oh, okay.
Rishit, come over here.
What? Oh yes, thanks.
Or, no, that's fine.
Rishit,
What?
that's for Arham.
Oh, okay, sorry. Wait. 1 minute, huh?
I'll heal you once more.
Yeah. Here you go.
Yeah, I can't heal you anymore.
Hey.
Arham, you drive.
I'm not I'll try.
Fine.
Okay.
I don't know about itself.
There.
Oh, I wish there are chests over here. Anywhere. Bro, I only have 2 guns. One legendary scar and one great tank. I have man, much better than yours.
Drop is just a shotgun mine.
Hey, people shooting from Lesson, okay.
Shotgun mine. Shotgun rocket launcher.
Wait.
AR mission because we already have the AR.
Now what is for me?
I don't know.
I got a purple assault rifle.
Aw, so sad. Rishit.
I mean, Rishit was gonna get a good AR.
I have some better.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do
baby.
you understand the secondary machine?
There's one in frenzy.
Get it. I'm going to get a good assault rifle. Or I can just go with this here.
Oh yeah. If it's not loaded, then we can
Oh god.
Then no,
Yeah, there was a big forest, right? From the drop.
no, I didn't see any before. Oh shit, oh.
Oh my god. No.
Should I shoot?
Even the poles. Actually, I'll just try.
Can I have that SMG?
Yes, finally shot it. You should take that.
Man!
What? Wow, Rishit took so much fall damage again.
Rishit, I will give them medkit. And a big pot for you.
I'm just fighting those people, so I might need help.
Rishit here.
Okay, this guy was a real person, but he
Where
was
are
a
you,
bot.
Anirudh?
I mean,
No, I already
a
have
bad
this much
player.
health.
He didn't
What about
hit
this?
me. He did not even
Okay.
try to hit me. Side getting or upgrading.
They're
Bro,
trying
give
to
me
run
that.
away from you.
Bro, what the hell?
Rishit, big pot.
Okay, then
Man, big pot, you have to drink it.
So he. Oh, minis, if somebody can carry.
I can.
Anuj, can you, how many inventory spaces do you have?
One.
You can carry the minis.
You should take this.
Anuj, do you
Blue
have
also.
medkits?
I gave
Because I
mine to
really want to
Rishit.
carry I really want to carry an SMG, but I
I
can't.
gave mine to Rishit.
You don't need minis, Anuj?
Oh yeah, I can stack up.
You have kind of good loadout. I have the best loadout over here. You have to agree. Anuj might have better stuff than me, but I have a mythical stuff. So, I'm a mythical gun.
Arham, shouldn't we take out Chopa?
Yeah, where is it?
Up there.
Oh, there are people, I think.
Where?
People,
Oh yeah, I
people.
can hear.
No,
I can
camp,
hear.
camp, camp. They have skies here. I think they're
Shit.
going to agency to remove it. I try to snipe them. Oh, it's a duo.
By rebooting.
What?
Let's go. Let's go. But Arham, be careful.
Kill him. I'm gonna come help.
Yeah.
Huh? Eh? വേണ്ട
Where?
വിശപ്പിട്ടാണ്.
He escaped. He's behind the tree. Oh my god. Arham.
Help! That's no. You know what? I don't care. I'm running away. Because you never help me.
You're running away?
Because you never help me.
Bro,
I'm not really running away, but kind of running away. That's what you deserve, another.
Man! Rishita made him low! Stupid! What a stay near me.
Anirudh, are you still alive?
Oh my god! What
What
the hell?
both of them
Who
low.
told you to go
Let
there?
him revive.
Oh, not my fault. Oh god, oh
no,
god,
where is
no,
he?
no.
Oh, he's on top.
Oh yeah, you're down, right?
Yeah?
Oh my god. Man, I'll slap you because of you only I died.
No.
Get out of my game.
Wait,
Man, Arham told. You can reboot me in agency, Arham. Take my scar. Take my scar.
I have a mythical scar. Why do I need
Yeah.
your scar?
Bro, for me.
Shit. I can't.
I won't have any gun.
Oh my god. You can take the
Wow.
grappler. Anuj. Rishit, can you take the grappler?
No, I'll take. I've never taken it.
Or Rishit, I'll heal with my method and then we'll take the grappler. I'll take the grappler.
Bro.
Shit.
I told I want the grappler.
So you don't want me to reboot totally, Anirudh? I'll give you the grappler.
Man, I wanted my scar.
Oh, Anirudh, I might not be able to reboot you, not sure because you don't feel bad. Because there are people in agency, I think.
Okay, if you have a launch pad. Man, I had a launch pad.
I have to. But there might be people over here. Which there are. You know, I can't reboot you right now.
There's a reboot van there, huh?
You're those people, right?
Yeah.
My snipers don't reload. Where is this guy? Oh, in the vault. I get it. What? You should come to me. I might need help. Oh, I see you, buddy.
What?
Yeah, but there's a person. Get on my body. Wait, Anu, let me just bring shields.
That guy was a bot. And my scar.
You can take the drop on it. You see?
Okay, but I'm taking it, okay? Any gun, I'm taking.
Sure.
Yeah.
I only have a pistol. levels.
I'll just open the
What did I
door.
get?
Bro, if you have any ammo, can I have some?
I'll fight them on the road.
Sniper bug. He's standing
Pardon?
still.
Falcon wants to get his gun. I'll go get him.
Okay, both here. Both here. Let's go.
Oh god, someone's shooting me from back.
Can I have that dude's air ammo? Like half?
Yeah, you can have all his loot.
Bro,
What do
some
you
people
mean?
are shooting me from up.
We both already have good loot, right? Where is this guy?
Oh god.
Oh, I hear him.
Up. Ah, can I? Okay. There are other people also. I hear other people.
Oof.
And what did I tell you? You can take all his loot.
Take. I'll take the drum gun. Okay. Anuj, you can have this. Go.
I don't know why I'm coming up. Chill.
Anuj, help. Anuj, help.
Hey, people. Man, you blocked me.
Yes.
Idiot, because you blocked me.
Okay, there are more people now shooting rockets from somewhere. There's loot on the road. Anuj, pop it.
Should I click ready up?
I wanna drink this big pot.
Anuj, dog.
Yeah.
Bro, why is Rishit alone?
Bro, Rish.
I don't have any option to go back to lobby. Sorry. What the hell?
Laser got him.
Oh.
That was kind of intense. Anuj, the fight where you guys all died, that was so intense.
Coming.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
going.
No, we kill them.
Oh yeah. Rishit, you go back to lobby.
I didn't even look at you once while I was playing the game. Just leave the game then. Yeah,
leave
come
the
back to
game.
lobby.
Well, what, you stay in the match for the whole day or what?
Ow.
Bro, I made it fill, huh?
I didn't even do anything this match.
It was don't
Who's the
fill.
one who carried you guys? I mean, I'm not sure.
I was
Okay.
not- I meant I was not
Shall I click
able
ready?
to do anything. I tagged the guy for a lot.
Yeah, and then I just sniped him because he was standing still. He was reloading some gun.
Yeah.
My GK bind join.
Okay, so I'll invite Magic Boy
Yeah,
to the... He's playing creative with his friends.
No, make it
Make it
don't
don't fill.
I have
I need
3
to get
challenges.
Because Naman will join. Okay, now it's don't fill.
Is it Naman or Nikhil?
Yeah.
Not now. Let Naman
Wait,
like
wait,
fully
wait.
get into
I'm
the lobby.
completing the challenge. Okay, wait, I'm just safe. Okay.
Hey, let me check my challenges. Just wait. Catfish, deal damage, opponent from below. My decision.
Hmm. Come on.
I mean, I have to destroy propane tanks. After that, TNT and all challenges are complete for me
You still did not do that challenge. I did it then.
and stuff.
It's no. You can do it like in
For me.
literally. Find shadow or in beeping. I'm going beeping.
Where?
Is Nikhil talking?
We always go to the same place actually.
I'm not playing. I mean, I'm not talking to.
Why, what happened,
Nikhil,
Arham?
Whatever he tells. Nikhil or Naman.
Why?
Shadow. Only in beeping ones.
Yeah, where to go? Guys, tell no, Arham.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Anuj, you tell me whatever Naman tells, okay?
Yeah.
Don't say.
No, I'm not talking to him. He's so annoying. I hit him for 80 and then he just kills himself.
Bro, he can hear you.
Yeah, I'll mute him. I'll mute him right now. I couldn't mute him because I was not listening.
Weeping, I'm going weeping.
Yeah, we are going weeping.
Beeping. Okay, done.
Bro,
I know where
Ninja
to go.
squad
I know where
prop
to
is
go.
amazing.
Bro, because of
Agency.
Naman, look at how many pros we got now. Because of Naman. Just look. I get a gun first and then complete the challenge. Anuj, you know one stop for rich?
Yeah.
Sorry, I by mistakenly slipped, bro. My hand slipped.
He knew me before I knew him.
How?
Fall damage.
I don't know.
Sorry, man.
Did you play with him or you met him like in school?
Met him. School.
I think we have to wear Sky to complete the challenge. Okay,
Did you watch? You was
wow,
Sky?
already.
Rishit!
Yes.
Did
I
you
got
fall
fun.
damage or what?
Pack.
Man.
Yeah,
Top 10.
yeah, where?
Hey, who's gonna res him?
I'm raising him, wait.
I'll go. He's next to
I'm
me.
going, I'm going. I'm giving him
No man,
this.
there's a medkit up here. There's a medkit up here.
Yeah, okay.
Bro, where is the
Did anyone
medkit?
land over here?
There are two tags over there, great tags. And there's a metal over. I'll carry that.
Oh, okay.
I
It's
didn't see.
there.
Rishit. All the chests are mine, you just take the medkit.
Can I send myself? I'll go. Do anybody boss here? Boss here?
I have. What? Aram!
What?
Good news for you. Rocket launcher.
Rocket launcher. Anuj, give me the rocket. Rishit, come here. Come take this Rishit. Yeah, I took it. Then I gave it back.
Rishit, I mean Aram, come to me.
You have to give me rockets also. Okay?
Yeah, okay. I only have 3 ammo for rockets. Slugfish, anybody needs?
Yeah, there's one here.
I need.
No,
You at least
for Arham. For Arham. Man, Arham! Man!
Bro, anyone has any good weapons?
Give me that, give me that.
give me rockets also.
I have also bad weapons.
Man is saying to give.
It's mine. Anuj took it from me.
Do anybody have crash pads? So,
Anybody is stacking up on crash?
I'm stacking crash pads.
Ah, that's why. I hear
Ah,
one
bandage is
chest. I just want to find out where it is.
Somebody wants a bandage.
Arham, don't break the stairs, huh?
That I completed challenge already.
Good for you.
So this mine.
Yeah, take.
Thank you, bro.
Who's singing? She.
Nikki, literally sing.
I already broke it.
God, tell that idiot to stop singing when my live stream will become bekar.
You hear Anuj?
Bro, you people open the
That's
whole every
annoying.
single chest.
He's singing Anuj.
Oh yeah, I found the chest.
No, everybody can carry this small fries. I'm not carrying first fries.
Yeah, I just got to know about that.
I
now.
got a
You
purple
singing
assault
Naman's
rifle.
about.
Yay.
I just hit Naman for 120. He did 4 damage. Second he landed, I killed him.
Anyone wants bandage
My
or
basic okay myself.
Yeah,
No?
SMG.
Boss.
Who needs a Kachara burst, man?
How do
I don't know. If something actually they can take it.
Hey, upgrade machine over here. Anybody need?
No, I don't need. You want?
Okay, I'm gonna tell you
People.
find rockets and tell Naman to give me if you find rockets.
Yeah, okay. I didn't get it from this.
I have rockets, but I'm not giving him.
Give me medkits, okay?
Hey, can you?
Same.
Hey, both of me.
Who? What is he both on me?
You guys can
I
fight
am.
them. I want Naman to die so I can take his rockets. So I'm not gonna do that. Yep, I want Naman to die. Naman die.
Arham.
Where is boss? That's why I call him.
I don't have maths.
That SMG is mine.
What?
You stole each and everything, you idiot.
So what? Look, you are such a bomb. I have rocket special. I'm not giving you also.
I don't need your dirty rockets from your inventory.
You don't have
Dirty
it.
rocket.
How many inventory generally are there?
Man, can you like give me some maths?
But I'm not giving him. Why?
Anud, if it's a 1v1, right, I'm not gonna win.
Why?
Even if I have a rocket launcher, I think like on 1 HP.
Why?
Why would I get a hit for Naman?
Oh. Shambit. Man, somebody has
Arham.
I have about 184.
I need. Can I have some?
Anud,
I need it urgently.
I have 519. I'll give you.
I need like 50 gold.
Okay, fine.
I'm giving you. I'll split and give you, okay? Come here, Anirudh.
Arham, even I'm coming.
And then
And
who
you
has
are-
brick? Who has brick?
We got 46. I have 46. What all?
Ah,
Take 960 wood.
I have purple
man,
assault rifle.
brick. Come to
I have 46 brick. You want?
Yeah, can I have?
Why you want Arham?
Oh, wow.
Oh, sorry, that's mine.
I hear a
Oh,
helicopter.
good. Weird.
I'm gonna try to come
Take 46 wood. I mean, brick.
Yeah, Arham, I'm coming. Anyways, it's not enough. If I see some other upgrading machine, then I'll do.
Brick stone.
Oh no, I have 43 bricks.
Hey, wait.
Lucky.
Good.
No.
Why are you?
Arham, I may take some time to come up with this.
No, what?
Oh, my friend rockets right here. Yes, I found rockets. No, I don't need that dirty rocket from Naman.
Anirudh, you're still there back?
I never knew Nikhil was so true.
Yeah.
Hey, should I upgrade my AR, SMG
no
or
need.
shotgun? I have a blue shotgun, green SMG, and green AR.
Green here.
What shotgun do you have?
Blue.
One more.
Upgrade the shotgun. Because green AR, if you upgrade to blue, it goes to 1 or 2 damage. And shotgun will do like 10-15 damage because it's gonna change the whole range of
Wow, purple tack now. Anybody need? Rishit, if I give you the purple tack, will you give me the purple AR?
Anirudh, I'm gonna get a good thing, but I won't give it to Naman. You know what I'll get, right?
You're that much
Where
angry
I'm
with
heading?
Naman?
Where?
Bro. Near
Oh,
home.
henchman house.
That area. You get a short rifle.
And heavy sniper, but I won't give it in 1 to Naman.
Music
Okay.
you can use fast. No,
I'll give it to you, but not to Naman.
Can I have the
Definitely.
minigun?
Bro,
Okay, there are people, but I'm not gonna fight them.
I got
I don't want
shot.
Naman to come and steal everything.
Someone, can you revive me?
Oh,
I
okay,
got
it's in the
shot.
circle.
I mean, if I
Yeah,
There
I
are-
do for like four to five
There are
times.
3
That's
people
what
there.
annoying me.
and tell him. Naman,
What man?
tell him try you get a power card. No, I don't know.
I don't need your purple scar. I can upgrade guns myself. Ooh! Oh my god, get over here. Oh my god, legendary boss. Anuj, legendary boss. Anuj, you revive.
Now I want to revive. Only after I kill the enemies I can revive him.
Thank you,
Naman.
Naman.
I mean, it shows that you are a boss.
Yes, I can.
Legendary boss.
Actually, I can.
So happy.
I'm on my way.
Anuj, Anuj, revive. You revive like Naman.
Two people on me head.
Anuj, I want you to kill. Nice, nice, nice. Don't let Naman get the kill. I revive now.
Okay, Anirudh, I'm coming to revive you if you need.
Attack both of them.
No. Naman, revive Vishnu.
Where should I go? You can go
Okay.
now.
Arham, are you reviving him?
Hey, he's reviving. He's reviving his teammate.
Yeah, those people are bots. Those people are bots. And he literally died by a bot.
He healed.
Okay,
Bro, anyone has
What do you
any
mean?
ammo?
so blind. They're not reviving. Liar.
They were. Arham.
Come, come. Let's get all the loot. Yeah,
Yeah.
Take one of the guns.
best friends.
Yeah, I knew I got my kill.
Yeah, because of me.
This is to Vishnu.
Naman is already
He would
shooting.
have gotten revived.
Give a medkit to anyone.
I'm not giving. I'm gonna kill his teammate.
Oh,
right now, nobody get him.
Where is the teammate also?
I will.
So angry that I'll get his teammate also.
Even I also get.
I'll try.
I'll try
I
to
mean, we
snipe
both
them.
will try. If
Yeah,
I get him, it's not.
Let's not get like give any kills to Naman. Scar. I'll go take it. Please, I don't want Naman to take it.
I'll take. But meanwhile, you kill the enemy.
Anuj, can we do you two versus them two in kills?
You too.
Okay.
I mean, us two
Anirudh, you
versus
get
them
him.
two.
Hey man, that
Kill
will
race.
that'll be okay.
No, I'm not giving him medkit.
Still. Okay, got them. I mean, got him. Anuj, how many kills do we both have?
I have one.
I have 3, so 4. Okay. Yes, now max rockets.
Oh,
Well, you have to go to zone. I am cool. Look, get the guy.
bro.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Bro, Naman actually just has 0 kills.
Oh god.
So, and this guy
I'm dead.
allowed one idiot to launch pad right next to his face.
I know, right? Just shoot down the wooden part. I mean, shoot down the brick part. It's gonna be
I
hard
was
to shoot
doing
the last
it.
one.
Jump.
I was doing it, but
He launched.
What's the next one thing? No.
I heard somebody open a door.
Bro, Naman's not even cooperating in winning this game.
Rishit is dead.
Look, it's something like.
He might make it alive if he runs all the time. He's dead. Somebody carry him.
Bro, I have reboot card.
How much damage is it? Bro, it's too big.
Aw. If you find you think I'm not forcing you, whatever you want to do.
I'm taking it.
I don't no actually it's of no use. It's a long distance, you won't make it out alive. Now it's gonna be 5x. Anuj, you're at your side.
Shit!
Bro, I have reboot
I'll
card.
be a good teammate and come to you. Come fast! What are you doing?
Trying to heal, obviously.
What? Who told you to take me?
Ah, okay, who cares?
Anybody has any? If I find healers, then I'll come on you.
No, we won't be able to.
I did that, that's why.
But I don't have any healers. Now even Naman will die.
Take what Vishnu.
Naman, just come. Just don't. Oh my god. If you
Okay.
die, then I don't care.
He said he's not going.
I'll just do solo spawn.
Rishit, because of you.
God.
Man, who told you to open the door and get inside the house? Then no one even God, you never talk about the storm. What? I don't even want to talk to you. Okay, I'm muting. Rishit, I'm muting.
Are you the dead?
I muted that idiot.
Actually, Naman had a medkit. He could have
You
came
just
and got
told
the
that
thing.
to Naman.
Man, you can. He could have tried getting mine at least.
Yeah, but where could we have rebooted you? Huh?
That was pleasant. In present only.
But the
Actually,
storm
the
might
reboot card is actually better than dying, right?
You still have 80 seconds? It shows you have 80
18.
seconds. Oh, it shows 73 now. I'll go get the
18
drop.
seconds.
Oh no, tell Naman to get the slurp barrel so we get shields.
Tell Rishit that I'm gonna study.
Anirudh, tell.
You tell.
Yeah.
I'm
I muted
muted.
him. Not Rishit. Tell Naman.
Okay, Naman, slop barrel something something.
So I'm not going.
Use the slurp barrel for shield. Oh, big pot, okay.
So I'm not going also. What? I'm not taking from you. I know you'll not give me, okay.
Finally, a little peace of mind. I'm muted.
What you got? You got a car. Naman? I don't know. Rocket. No, I don't know.
I helped him and because of him I died.
So I'm muting him also.
Anirudh?
Hello? Hello? Anirudh?
Arham, can you hear me?
You can snipe him. Anam, you can snipe him. Man.
Transbat.
How? Wow. He shot through the wall. Oh, the other body is shooting you.
47 shield. 47 headshot.
There's a person up also. He's standing still.
Man, that's brilliant.
RPG.
Oh, no, I'm not giving him.
Man, somebody's rushing.
So, you said you don't want from me.
Oh my god.
Vamos.
Arham, can you hear me? Don't tell
What?
I heard. Okay, sorry, by the way.
Come on, kick Naman out. How did he come? Kick Naman out. Because of him, we are getting out through.
Then why did you tell Anirudh to tell Naman when he can hear you?
He will play. I'll talk with him.
After 6 minutes, we are closing.
Hey, what?
When will I play?
I'm ready.
Played.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Played.
Tell Rishi that next match. Tell Rishi that next match if he gets knocked out, then I won't play with. And then I won't study with.
Only me and Anirudh is ready.
Yeah.
Arnold, why are you even telling me to tell him when you both can hear each other?
And I muted him now.
Let's go. No, I'm
Find
muted.
some
I can't hear him. He might hear me, but I can't hear him.
None of you are ready.
I'm not
getting a
hearing him.
backbling.
Okay.
Bro, do you know Sky's backbling? I can't find it. I got the style of it. Oh, found it. Level 260 for Sky. Bro, tell Nikhil to be ready.
That idiot is not being ready.
I'm in the loading screen.
3.45 seconds left.
I'm returning to lobby. Okay.
Oh yeah, next match.
Returning to lobby in
Please.
17 seconds. 16, 15, 14.
Guys, waiting for server unload.
God.
It became 6 seconds.
Hey, Anirudh.
Okay, Anirudh, where to go?
Nothing. He even so him also I muted him. Hello? Anirudh, say him that I muted him also.
Arham. Now Nikhil muted you.
I don't want to talk.
Nikhil muted you.
I'm not coming.
I don't know.
I'm not coming.
Man, I'm not going pleasant.
Who, me?
Okay, let's go.
One of the first locations, man.
Okay, let's go where? Dirty? Because you're so dirty. Not a gross. Steamy stars. Let's go steamy only.
Yeah, you go. I'm going with Arham. You muted him, no?
Anand, come with me. Where do you want to go, Anand? You tell.
I don't know.
Let's go. Oh my god, Anand, these people are following us.
Who, me?
Oh my god, Anand, these people are following us.
They're landing grotto.
Oh, okay.
Man, stop following us.
I
You
will.
should go somewhere else.
Anand, no, let's take Rishit. Everyone mark in lazy, but we'll go to retail.
Okay.
Everyone mark.
Rishit, even you mark.
Bro, why do you mark in lazy? Okay, fine. Now he marked in retail, right? Let him go to retail. We'll go to lazy. He's not low. That dumbhead is not low.
Why you have
We
guys?
are low.
I don't want to go with him. No, Naman. Bro, this guy's following me and steal all my loot. This idiot.
I went to this boss.
Okay, blue SMG. Pump.
Avengers
Yes.
to inject.
The good thing is that this guy didn't follow me. You guys didn't even land in a place where you could you guys even have guns?
You went lazy?
No, I went near lazy. And I'm
Even
going to a place which Naman likes a lot, but I won't give it to him.
I know where he's going also. He's going to take the... I know he's going to same that I know where he's going. He's going to take the Yamya gun. The AK.
Anand, you want to get the helicopter and go to yacht?
I will try.
Yeah, let's see the circle first.
Let me just
Bro,
get.
this shows the circle already, right?
At least he's building.
No, they are not showing us the circle.
Bro, where are
Yeah,
you guys?
before
I don't
when we
know.
were playing the golden game, it was showing.
We can't go yacht.
Not even I'm for.
Even
But
though
we can go rig. We can go rig.
No, the key card is only for yacht. I checked.
Okay, I can follow you, no?
1 minute.
Yes.
Oh, you're going to
I know
the
where he's
yacht.
going also. Yamya.
Anand, can you come and help me because I don't want Naman to steal the gun. I'll do all the work and then he'll just
Bro,
steal
if
the
you have
gun.
any weapon, please give me a.
What यार? मैं नहीं कर रहा मैं नहीं कर रहा
10.
Thank you.
So I'm going with Arham. Hey, nobody follows, man.
Fine.
Rishit, you can come, but not Nikhil. Oh, Come
No, it's
on.
not. It's not. It's not.
Wait a minute.
Come.
Bro, Meow Meow is crying.
What?
Yeah, she was crying. This is not crying mode, right?
Where's the kill
How?
this guy?
And she had a this thing.
What is that? Was that really Meow Meow only?
God.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm following you guys.
Hello.
Yeah, Nikhil?
Hello. Yeah. Why you muted Naman?
I don't want to talk to him. You know the thing that's happening when both of you are
I
really,
took the
really
key
annoying?
card, huh?
That's Naman, man. You talk to Naman right now.
I'm Nikhil. Bot. Anirudh.
I can
And
understand
what
the
is
voice.
that? What is that thing?
What
Oh,
thing?
fishing rod.
Ani, come. I mean, Anirudh, come. We take a helicopter and go.
Can you
Where are
move,
the-
please?
Where will we
what
go
all
actually
weapons do you
for the
have?
with the helicopter?
I don't know. You should come with us fast. Keycard is of yacht.
I'm not going to York. It's just impossible to go. We
So
need
far
like
away
at
from
least
you.
15 or 20 medkits. And
Man, the storm
and
became more
humanity.
kachara. Man, the storm became more kachara now.
Why?
Fighting
Storm is
already,
very
man.
slow to Anirudh.
Third storm is fighting. What, man?
Anirudh was slow. The
Anirudh,
storm
you want to
became
get inside the
very
boat?
slow at least. So we might try. I'm not sure. I don't want to, but
Okay.
we might.
I don't
Because I
want
have 2
to.
medkits.
But I don't want to.
Okay.
Anand, can you just wait for like a moment or two?
Why?
Because I don't have any proper gun. I only have one AR.
Well, I am.
Because I'm going to take the helicopter.
Oh my god! Legendary pump. Let's go.
Good for you.
Aram, can you take me?
My magic bind is fine. Some idiot got rebooted.
Yes. Magic Man almost stole my kill, but I got my kill.
I don't want it.
No need. It makes a lot of noise.
I don't have any ammo.
I will dress up as a henchman and take the henchman chest, okay?
Aram, I don't have any ammo.
Good, bad for you. I'll give you ammo if you don't kill the enemy.
Oh my god, I killed
Bro,
him.
aren't we taking the chopper?
Don't.
Kill him.
Yeah.
Maybe disguise and kill him.
Ah! No!
Bye. Oh, you take this.
Bro, that's mine! That's mine! Give it! Give it!
No.
I took it from mine just man.
Bro, that isn't supposed to be mine.
Yeah. I'm giving it to you.
No, I don't care. You forget
Bro,
my
why?
kill. Oh, heavy sniper right here. I don't care. I got it.
Yeah, but that's purple. I got legendary.
So there is like, I don't know how much damage it will less. Yeah,
Bro, I have green AR, legendary pump, and legendary heavy sniper.
Should I bring this chopper to you?
Purple pistol for somebody.
I don't want it. Rishit likes it. You can give it to him.
Man, Arham, but why don't you want the legendary thing? Oh, because I took it, you are angry or what?
No. I'm trying to find the person. Not the one.
Do you want my pump? Ah!
Aram.
Okay, I don't start you. I'm start now. So I'll take you off.
But he is pissed at you, Arham.
No, he's not. It's
Man, I'm stuck below you.
Where is the
Hello.
Hello, who are you?
It's on top, it's on top.
I am Nikhil. He's stuck
Get in,
you.
man.
Get in.
Is the tower looted?
I don't have a shotgun.
That one.
right?
Oh,
I don't have.
no, this place
I don't
changed. It was a little different.
No, the same.
Bro, give me any good weapons, sir.
Give me a shotgun. I need a shotgun.
I see a legendary something over there. In that
A
house.
llama. A llama.
I don't know if it's a legendary something or just a chest.
Llama. Look there.
Where?
Look there. Put it. I made a marker. Look there. Man, take us to the llama.
Any good weapon pass?
Now you guys can't even jump out.
Nothing.
Yeah,
A supply drop.
Drop the mine. Show me drop the
Man, the llama. Take us to the llama first. Okay, you're mine.
Man,
AR and
llama. Aram llama.
Yeah, please we take it later only. Drop the
AR is mine. AR mine.
What is it?
AR.
AR.
Look.
Okay.
I'm coming behind our head.
Waiting.
What wait? Look, llama. I found it means all things in mine.
They're going away
Share
from
good
us.
luck. All things mine.
Mine.
You took all the mats.
Man, I'm not getting into that chopa because you took all match which were supposed to be Arham.
Oh, the people. Helicopter. Chopa.
Yeah,
I don't care. They can
They're
find.
coming to you. They're coming to you, not to me.
Hey, they're coming to us. Arham, they're coming to us.
No. They're going away from us. Kind of coming to us, but I'll snipe
Hey,
them. I will
what
give
guy
you a
is
snipe.
gliding?
Yeah. Chance till you. Some skull.
Oh, that was so close. Oh no, there's only two. You won't rush, but we'll try.
I see one in that house.
I'm not sure whether it's behind or forward.
Shit.
Oh no, I'll break the ball. Okay, you try to snipe them.
You didn't even touch the wall.
Hit one for 20. I don't know how.
Arham, can you break that wall?
I'm rushing because I know that Namu will steal my kill.
I will not.
Totally. He went inside, that's what I
29. I hit him for 29.
Yeah, I'll try sniping him. I see him.
He's my kill. I need to
Even
kill him.
he's behind the house.
Bro, I don't have any.
Oh no, I'll leave help if it just come.
Yeah, coming.
Got one.
He's my cat.
Shake
How
him.
do you take him?
Now help
Take
me.
him. I'll take him and go. Somebody wants a car? I'll hold this.
Oh, somebody's
Oh, I
car.
Bro, where are
Is
you?
it
I
dance
do.
of the kids?
Then I'll dance. I got a boombo.
That's what he just stole it from me. I killed him and he
I
stole
want.
it. But I don't want it.
You don't like the boombo?
Okay, now I have all purple and legendary. Now I have all purple and legendary.
What purple stuff do you have? Oh, that, right?
Purple scar, legendary, legendary. Man, can I have that AR a little bit?
I'm literally no max.
I am at one.
Okay, I can give you all my mats.
No, just give me some wood.
Aram, Aram, I gave you some.
Anu took it.
Anu gave all 252 to him.
Anirudh, give.
Anu plus 252 to him.
Exactly 100. Wow.
Give him 252 more because I gave him 250 more.
Anirudh, cheat.
Hey, even I
I will
need
launch
No,
pad.
you guys don't
I will
really
have launch pad.
So now 270.
I have a launch pad.
I have 2 launch pads. You keep.
New clip, I don't
You
know.
guys can escape. No, you can escape. Because then I'll just build over you. There are people
Bro, you
over
guys
there.
go, you chill, go.
Oh my god. Help, it's a trio.
Coming.
I'm not fighting them, but like, if they see me, then I'll need help.
Two tick.
Over there.
Yeah, to boom them.
Oh, target to 126. The healing because they got a med kit.
Kind.
Bro, Rishi is
I
gonna
need to
die again.
scare
This time I won't revive him.
Shoot it.
Even I won't.
Because he's in the storm. Oh, Naman, I'll break the ball. Okay, you hit him. Okay. 3.
Okay. Which wall?
No, he's not in the circle. I think.
He's in the storm.
Ooh.
I know, even you try to snipe.
Trying.
Somebody got Rishi.
Behind us.
I see them.
I found the guys.
Don't fight.
I want to find them. Man, they are close to us. Measured him. Ah! That's one.
No!
Seriously?
Bro! 110! He killed me!
Shush!
Oh my god, now he has my shotgun!
Let me focus.
You're dead.
Man, please let me concentrate.
He has my shotgun.
Okay, fine, I get it.
No, why didn't he kill Magic Boy? He just killed me.
Because you are a bot and scary cat.
I'm spectating.
Oh,
See, I told you.
you think I can't still clutch it up? I have like a 1% chance, but I can. He's gonna revive.
Of course.
What? His teammate is dead, then who will he revive?
I killed him?
Yeah. You will
Can
kill
you
his-
revive me? He's below me. He's on my layer. He's below you. He's below you.
Look at my health, bro. Okay, I got it. I don't care. Sorry,
Oh
guys.
my god.
I try to win it. I don't think I
That's
can.
right.
7 people spectating. Yes, this guy.
When I'm spectating. 3 people
I'm
are
spectating.
truly.
I think he's going to use my launch pad.
Oh.
No. He's reloading.
Booted. Oh.
What
I see
happened?
behind me. No, I don't see him. That's why I'm...
I only see him, you can snipe no.
He will die from this storm, I think.
Or if he has some
Maybe.
medkits or something. Oh, Sky's
No.
there.
Oh.
He's gonna laser me now.
You are a sky. Then
I
you
don't even
should
have a
be
rocket
sky.
launcher or something explosives.
Oh yeah. If you're in the rocket launcher, come here. Just chest then.
I won't.
The boombo would have helped.
That's what.
That would have
I-
helped a lot.
You are almost close to shoot.
Bro, 110 I shot him for.
Yeah, I
Very
got that.
bad.
I didn't
Why
get
can't you
that.
headshot? Why didn't you headshot him?
That guy didn't still die. How? 1v3.
Maybe
I
you
got the
are.
kill. And I got the kill,
No.
that's why.
It's 1v3.
Yeah, he
Just if I
died.
can win. Huh?
Yeah.
Man,
But you
I
don't have
knocked
any
him.
shields.
I knocked
You
him, so
have-
I got the kill.
You don't have any shields.
Okay, I hate this
I
AR so
can
much.
just go inside the circle.
That's a duo, right?
Like they're
There's one
line.
person still over.
Trio.
Oh, yeah,
Trio.
okay, yeah.
I don't see the trio.
It is a trio.
Yeah,
Even
he
here
has
you
a-
have.
He got my legendary one.
That's a
Very bad.
What if
No, that's a
these
trio.
people kill that person?
Oh, that was easy snipe, but I missed.
Arham, will you win?
This is a trio.
Oh yeah, this is a duo. And one more guy. I don't know where.
Nobody knows where
You have
that one
circle
goes.
though? Okay, you kind of don't have circle. Oh my god!
Oh.
I'm already in the circle.
You do?
No, I was very close.
He has
but I-
the advantage of the circle.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Take that, no?
So this guy's distracting me, and these people
Yeah,
are
that's
rushing me,
what.
I think.
Somebody's rushing you. Yeah, they are rushing you. What?
Oh,
I have no mats. This is why I asked for mats.
I'd given.
I
People gave me
told, I
100.
told
How
this,
come
should I click ready up?
Why only
I
at
told Andrew
150?
to, I gave him 250, 52. I need to
have
pay
no
that
mats.
much.
I can't do anything.
Because of you, Anirudh.
What man
I
was
have
because
no
of me?
shields.
I gave you 252 words.
You gave me, no?
Yeah, but I told you to give him back. That's a mushroom.
Who's
Why can't you drink that?
A guy is behind you. Oh my god.
You gave me no mats. What am I even supposed to do?
Because of Anirudh. Yeah, ready
Kind
up?
of because of Anirudh.
Should we be creative now?
Gave him 250
When
and he
is
just gave me.
exams, by the
He
way? I
just gave me
forgot.
100.
Wow.
And someone
Should
wished
we
on
be
all the
creative?
50 mats.
What, I gave you half of that. I go 3/4 of that
100 is
then.
not. 100 is not even half of it.
I gave him 252, so 3/4. Cal.
Actually, this skin is not at all good. I don't want to play. I don't want.
We can play clicks box fight, can't we?
Yeah, no, I don't want to play.
Clicks.
I'm trying to grind XP.
Okay. I return to
I
her
can only
this
play
game-
till day after tomorrow. And then
Why?
after exam, I'll only play Thursday and Friday.
Same.
And Saturday.
Yeah, and
No.
Saturday. Yeah.
No one be ready.
What is this?
Nikhil.
What? I'm in the loading screen. I return to the hub.
It shows you're in the lobby. Stop lying. You're in the lobby.
Yeah, I was in the loading screen. Give me 100 V-Bucks, then I'll tell the truth.
And as soon as Naman joins, we are losing all the matches.
What a Mikhail.
Okay, where are we going? Where are we
Okay,
going?
fine. Nikhil.
Who is marking?
Don't know the difference between Mikhail and Namans.
That means that guy died by the storm.
Hmm.
Who I made very low.
I told you died by the storm.
And I made him low.
Only for
Yeah, but I told you
110.
Yo,
It was. I knocked one guy and I knocked one guy and I shot another one.
Okay, we'll stop shouting.
Yeah, the
There's
person
someone
who was
reviving.
going to revive. That person who was going to revive. You
Stop
also shot him, and I
shouting.
also shot him.
Shush.
You shut up. Olaf,
You shut
after
up.
you came on, we were losing.
Where to land? Where we land? Boy.
Everywhere.
I don't know. That's why. Agency?
How is your creative?
Agency.
Agency.
Okay, we can try actually. Yeah, we'll play clicks box fight, okay? Me and Arham versus Vishnu and
What is
Aditya.
so overpowered then cheater?
How many guns?
Me
do
and
you have?
Aram.
What is overpower?
Ah.
It is OP, not overpower.
Arham?
You are sucker. That's why I'm telling you.
Arham?
Okay.
What is this?
Yeah, how many guns do you have?
Look at you guys dying in agency now.
Ah man.
Yeah, wait.
Man, I have a doubt. Why does this guy shout when he gets shot?
I know, right? He shouts like hell.
Man,
Wait,
my
I found
trigger
it.
got burst one time. You know
You
that?
guys are gonna die so quickly. Except for Vishen, he won't die. I mean Rishit, he won't die. Because he's away from the agency. Without guns.
I'm with the disguise. I'll find the Midas, then I'll fight everyone. I got Midas. Midas is here.
Yeah, after that you just kill him once and then he'll spray you like hell. You shoot him once and then he'll spray you like hell.
Magic Bind, where are you?
So you guys good?
Got him.
Yeah? Yeah? But I'm away from you, so I can't do it.
Bro, some guy
I
shot me
killed Midas.
twice.
My drum gun is mine because I killed him.
Oh god, bro,
Yeah,
I'm dead.
you
I'm
can have
dead.
it.
Bro, Arham, if you come and take my
Man, I don't
reboot
have
card,
any good gun.
would be helpful.
No, try to take the helicopter and come to me. We both will like
Wait, first let's get the Midas.
I'll try, man. I don't have any guns.
I
Just
take
go
this,
for
take
the
this.
helicopter. Maybe you can also escape.
No, I killed him. I killed the Midas.
I'll go to Rishit only. You guys could have taken the helicopter and came, but
Man, we killed Midas, man. We killed Midas.
I killed, not you. Got the Midas.
I got
Oh
the
my
keycard.
God. Come here,
I
come
got
here,
the
come
keycard.
here.
And kill the henchman.
Let's be the disguise. Come here.
Circle is like over 1 kilometer.
Bro, in 30 seconds, my reboot card will expire.
Wait, what? I thought Raman died.
I
I
Arham, now can you
think
Yeah.
I can.
Yeah,
because
wait.
it's like in a distance.
Andrew, you should go for the key card. Give me that key. Give me that thingy. Give me the medkit. Oh, llama, I found a llama. Llama
Yeah, I know
was
where the
there.
vault.
Llama. Be the disguise first. I found llama even. I remember
I don't
that.
think I'll be able to collect Rishit's key card. Well, you guys can, but you guys don't want to take the helicopter and collect it.
My llama is there.
Mine
I
is fine.
remember that. Come, go, come first. Means first let's
Oh my God,
take
I
the key
can't
card.
find
Come, let's take the key card. Come, you take the key card. You have the key card on me.
You guys are actually so selfish.
Man, what we need good guns. I have a attack only.
Shut up, you have Midas drum gun, okay?
Yeah, and that
people
only.
even go to agency?
No! No! No!
Yeah, you guys deserve it. You guys deserve to die.
Shooting game
I'll try to collect your reboot card, okay?
in the
Come here.
If I can't, then I'm sorry. 15, 14, 13, 12.
who is near my
I'm really
reboot card, by the way?
Even I'm gonna die. So I don't care.
Aram,
So I
even you?
can't.
Oh my god. Okay.
I just died.
Take that guy! Take that guy!
No. Bro, I swear these people could have gotten it.
Man, revive
Just
me!
take
What?
it.
I don't move, that's why. I didn't move even once.
I hate these.
What, you only fooled us by going to agency.
You and me.
You have to res Arham.
Those people are pros. I left the game.
Really, you did.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I don't have mats for this all things.
Were there people in agency, like real people?
Nope, not even once.
No,
Only we all were
Nobody
there.
would have got helicopter and came, right? Nobody would have stolen anything. You could have came with the helicopter.
This guy was pressurizing me.
Naman. Oh no, one more llama. Llama. Where's
No,
medkit?
I tried at least.
Come, there's a llama. I have to kill all the H-men.
Anirudh, you have launch
Okay, after
pad,
that
right?
I'll join, okay?
Come. No, there's one more llama near us even. Give me heals, there's heals. No heals.
Man, you got everything, man.
Okay, there's one more llama.
Hey, no
you-
one leave, no one leave.
Why?
Medkit.
There's one more llama.
Where?
Let me drive it. Let me drive it first, let me drive. Come down. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I'll take that.
Yes.
Full llama.
Come here, take this. Take care, I'll fight him. First, let me take in an order. Got him. Take it. Let me take the heal. Even I have 2 launch pads. I have 2 launch pads. And it come now. No, Aram left. Because he died with the pro. Yeah, come here, then only we can fight it. Found it, come here, sit on me. Okay. Come. Man! Come!
How are you even driving the Zopa? Because of you, it's so low now.
You can see it?
Ah. Yeah, I can see.
Anirudh, we'll play duos.
It was 17. 17. Oh shit. I got
Okay,
laser.
so what?
Let's launch pad.
So should I return to lobby?
I'm going. I have low health. I can't.
Oh my god! Hey, no! Oh my god!
I can't fight them. I have so low health. Oh my god, come here.
What?
Give me heal. I don't know if I can't find heal. Man, heal. I want our guns.
Ah, medkit for you.
Where's the medkit?
Amma.
Oh,
Shit, they are rushing us.
idiot, come.
Idiot! Stupid!
What?
What are you doing when you can't do anything? What? You do. Yeah?
That was one tap.
No man, we are not playing duos, we are playing creative with Arham.
Arham left the party.
Hi.
Yeah, return. We lost
Yeah. So
because of unmuted.
Hey, what man? Because of you,
What
you
you
didn't
make?
even see the people. Using a medkit in the open.
Huh?
What pro will do that?
Hey, what? I didn't use it even once. When I was going to take it, then he.
I don't want to listen
What
to
are you
you.
people playing? Are you playing?
Wait.
Can you invite me?
He left the party.
Oh, okay.
Yeah man, at least he can invite us, no? Hi. Hey, ready. What else?
Coming
Where are you
party that.
Man, Rishit can't come. Arham, can you come to game chat? Oh, creative man. Arham, yesterday why did you leave?
Because he doesn't like to play with you.
And I shut up. I didn't ask you. Yeah, Arham.
Really? Ask Aram if you want. Because of
Arham,
you.
come to game chat.
He is in game chat.
He muted me. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we are playing ID. Come.
We know.
Join. Man, unmute me.
ID?
I can't even hear you properly in this Zoom.
No activities. I need to respawn.
Are we in the same team?
I can't. Didn't Aram muted us both?
Yeah, okay, that's better.
Yeah, Arham muted all of us, I guess.
Except this thing, I think. Why is always muting us? Because of him. Huh? Oh my god.
Arham, I can't hear you.
He muted us.
I did not, so please shut up.
He told me to.
Okay. Blaming. I'm not playing
Yeah.
an ID map, okay? I'm playing with Rishit.
What?
Zone Wars.
What?
I am also playing.
Something which Anirudh, which we played with Momo. Where is
Okay, which zone was that?
Is Rishit
Kal
talking?
Singhi. No, he's not talking. Oh yeah, now he's
he is.
talking.
Oh, okay. How?
No. Should we do teams?
Yeah, we'll do
Yeah,
teams.
me and Aram.
I'm coming back to hub.
Me and Rishit.
Me and Aram. Okay.
Rishit, stand still.
Do stand still!
Don't stand still.
Jump!
Bro, I'm glitching.
Rishit, why you are standing still? Eh?
Okay, me and Rishit are here.
Nah.
End the game. I don't want to play with this. I don't want to play with this Rager. I don't want to play with this Rager.
Me and Rishit versus both of you. First, with your teammates and then start. Actually,
I don't have any gun. Oh, now.
start fighting.
Bro, I don't
take
know
a lot
how
of
to
time to
turn
find your
on auto
teammates.
shoot.
So just start fighting.
How to open this? Oh. How to open this?
Mr. Fall down. Someone's over
How
there.
to open this cage?
Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, Rishit, we both are team. We both are in one team. Did you take damage? You can heal. You can heal. If you take damage. Oh. Where are you?
Bro,
Get out of my game. Just get out of my game.
I turned on auto shoot.
Rishit.
I'm gonna take my gun. I'm gonna take my guns. Rishit, stand still. Rishit, stand still.
Rishit, don't.
Bro, I
No,
have
this kid's going to
all
go for
bad weapons, seriously.
He'll give you a prize thingy type. Oh
Look
my
at this guy
god.
picking up. So slow.
I'm doing it slowly.
Rishit, please get him.
Because
But just turn on auto shoot so you can get them easily.
go to settings and you can.
I know you tell, you know, you played in Mobile right, so you can know. I mean, you know how to
He
do
has
it.
auto shoot on.
He doesn't. Oh, I dare to pickaxe him.
No, don't.
Stop him.
Rishit, wait, he's turning on his settings.
Man, kill him. What are you doing?
He was turning on auto shoot. Oh, there you shoot him.
Yes.
No! He started shooting me. That time I shot him,
Bro,
okay?
I don't know why.
You shot him before. You know.
No, he shot him after.
I
You
was
told
not
me
able
dare
to shoot, I
to
was
pickaxe
not able
and
to
then
do
he started shooting me with that burst. That time I killed him.
Okay.
Arham, sorry, huh?
Than last time.
Again the same trash loot.
Same, a trash.
Rishit, meet me.
I
and then we both will play.
Arham, where are you?
I got under.
Start fighting.
I got under loot.
Don't meet anyone. Just start fighting. Ooh, somebody was over there. Don't mind if I do.
What? Is there any fall damage here?
I don't know. Angry, you don't want to mess with me. I have everything legendary.
I know that. That's why I'm scared.
I like the sound here.
I just don't want Rishit to come and jump at me by mistake and then he 1v2.
Why were you standing still, Rishit?
He started 2 to 3 days ago.
Oh.
No! Oh my god, 4 HP.
Die, bye bye.
4 HP and no kill.
I will just take the bandages.
Magic Bind, stop acting like a bot and kill him.
Where is he? I can't see him there.
I was transferring. Now I have extra good loot.
Idiot, because of you.
Where is he? I can't see him.
I had a purple tack, now I have a purple pump, which does like 5 times the damage. Attack.
5 times I know.
Not 5
Where
times.
is
2 to
he?
3 times.
Where is he?
How will I know? You don't have visualized the
And Franklin, don't you see me? Oh, even you are over here. I see.
Oh my god. Look at
I
that
see.
building.
Man! Why did he scare me?
That's called jump scare.
Idiot! Boy.
Who's the guy who's...
Imagine 19 HP clutch.
Arham, are you the one who's
0 HP clutch. Okay.
shooting?
And now let's
with
make
the
a
sniper?
reaction.
That was 0 HP clutch in the whole world.
Why? Bro, I don't know how to edit properly. I know how to edit, but not properly.
Asif.
Huh?
You don't know how to edit properly.
I got bad loot this time.
I got the worst. I got type of wood.
I got worse loot than last time.
Huh?
Oh, something
Same.
Harika?
My AI got it.
Bro, I'm in whose team?
Oh my god, stop!
Thanks for it. Thanks for it. I really
Stop.
appreciate it. I swear. I
Magic boy doesn't have a sniper. He doesn't have a sniper.
Stop lying.
That-
Stop lying.
Really?
He has a harpoon gun. He has a harpoon gun, man.
Yeah. Arham, if you can just
This is my
block
long
me
range
up,
gun.
I'll just
This is
come
my
now.
long range gun, I think.
Oh! There's someone there. Are you shooting?
If you Magic boy, he heard you. He heard you.
Didn't I can't see you?
I can't
Look at
build.
you. Oh, look at you.
Look at what he's building.
He's gonna die in like 10-15 seconds. No, he's not. He's gonna die in some more time. Where is he? Oh, swimming away. You think you're smart?
Man, please let me swim away. Let me swim away.
Look at Magic boy camping down
No,
in a box.
That means
He
you're trapped.
edited. He's swimming away.
Yeah, we both are one team. He's somewhere around here.
Anirudh? I'm dead. Okay, guys, I'm leaving now. Anirudh? Anirudh, I'm leaving, Anirudh? I'm leaving, Will we study today? Okay, call me when it's time.
Will die before him.
Okay, bye.
Why? Rishit, come.
Rishit, where are you? Oh my god.
Did I steal that
No.
before?
Never mind.
I know, just telling I have 3 floppers. Who's swimming? Rishit, are you swimming?
Where are you?
Rishit, kill him if you can. Come on, surface, don't die. Okay, never mind. Okay then.
Where are you?
Oh my
Man,
god.
Arham, now we'll play box fight. At least you won't die because of
Why?
it.
You guys will spam.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah. Okay.